Number 10 says that Joey transformed triangle XYZ to create triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime, as shown in the diagram below. Which statement accurately describes how Joey transformed triangle XYZ to create triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime? Mrs. K told me that before ever reading my answer choices, she wants you to just take a look at these guys here, write a rule just from what you know, and then match it to an answer choice. Okay, during your brain dump, you would have written down your rules, and we're going to see if we can match it to one of those that we have. Okay, my original image was the XYZ. XYZ. My post image was X prime, Y prime, Z prime. Noted here. Now, I'm going to take 1 point and look at it on the old, and then look at it on the new and see how we change. I'm going to go with X and compare it to X prime, okay? So, X originally was -5, 4. Now, X prime is 4, 5. Okay, now just looking to get a general rule from what happened. First, I noticed that 5 and 4 switch places, okay? So 5 is now at the end and 4 is now at the beginning. Okay, so X and Y flipped. Then my original X became negative, okay? So my X is negative. It was -5, and then when they moved it over here to the new ordered pair, it was positive. So we took the opposite of X. So my rule, typically you write X comma Y. However, my X and my Y switched, so that would be Y comma X, and then the opposite of X was taken, so it's Y comma negative X. Now, if we remember our rules, I can see that this was a rotation. From my brain dump, you would have written down these rules here. This is counterclockwise and this is clockwise. It looks like this matches this one exactly, which is either a counterclockwise 270, so it's either a CC 270 or it's a clockwise 90. Okay, so I have Y comma opposite of X, so clockwise 90, and this is a rotation. Okay, so let's now go back and look at our answer choices and see if any of them match. Option A, I'm going to do one of the not plots. Okay, here we go. Option A, it says that Joey reflected triangle XYZ across the x-axis. I already said it was a rotation, but let's just think about this. Here is my original image, right here, this XYZ. If you were to flip it over the x-axis, that would be going this way. So originally, all of my image was up here, correct? It's all above that x-axis. So when I do my flip across, it should all be below. I noticed there's some stuff above the X. That is instantly not accurate. Option B, it says that they reflected across the y-axis. Same thing happens here. If you look at the original image, it's split between X and Y. But if you were to flip it, there technically should still be something on the X, on both sides of the y-axis. However, on the post image, it's all on this side of the y-axis. There was nothing on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and record B on the false side. Option C, it says that Joey rotated triangle XYZ clockwise 90 degrees about the origin. Now they're speaking our language. We said that there was a rotation, so that checks out. And we said it was either 90 clockwise or 270 counterclockwise. Okay, clockwise 90, that checks out. I'm gonna go ahead and record C over here, but we're gonna be thorough and check option D, which says that Joey translated triangle XYZ 5 units left and 3 units down. So what that would be is going from one point to another. We should have gone 5 units to the left. So let's start at X and go 5 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is like out in the middle of nowhere. There's not even a grid over here. So this is going to instantly become false. My answer is C. We ruled all the other guys out.